Hi, my name is Vilson and welcome to Olive Garden PALJKA, a matrix project of self-sustained house, living and tourism, all the modern things with traditional elements. When I was 20 and something, I saw the one stone house in the newspapers and I cut it and I put it in my wallet and I was keeping it all my years while I was traveling. When you made a house of stone, it is for at least 1 century, if not 2. I had a few helpers like my friends. Emotionally, I'm connected. Not just with the house, but with the work, with the olives. They call it the worst land. Nobody didn't want it. I spoke with my father and I said, okay, give me those land that nobody wants. The olives, that was the love of my grandfather. My family helped me a lot. They prepared the land, they remove all the bushes, all the stones and everything. I planted the olives and we put the water system and everything what it goes. But for the whole project, almost 5 years, somebody will call it, oh, it's not a real traditional house. Okay, I know it. I can't live like 18th century. Wouldn't have electricity. I wouldn't have the storage of water. I wouldn't have radio. I have a smartphone, but I have a connection with the nature also. First, you dream or you imagine. First is imagination, and after imagination is reality. This is my lovely stone house. It's a real stone house. Walls are 50 centimeters beam. It is the most cheaper way when you buy the raw stone and when you cut it and you shape it by yourself. At the beginning of the project it was very difficult. Day by day, time by time, you learn it by yourself. How to cut it, how to shape it, because this house together with the olives are giving us one small matrix for the self-sustained off-grid living. Not to live in a dirty box, but it's something nice. We have the storage of water, we are collecting all the rain and we are using it in a toilet, in a kitchen and so on. It stores up to the 30,000 liters of water. Right here we have the solar system for the hot water. It's working for 6 months in a year. We have the photovoltaic panels. We have 1 kilowatt installed. Everything is based in the basement. During the summertime, we have the high temperatures. We cover this, made this green area to keep the temperature inside of the house at a lower level. Okay. All the doors, they are handmade doors. Handmade, please. It's like a modern studio apartment. Open plan concept, there is no walls inside. We have the small kitchen. This lovely stone sink is made from one of my friends. Always I'm trying to connect my lovely north part of Croatia and this south part. This is made of Slavonian oak. He is living in the north part, and this one from the south. I think it looks nice and it's very solid. This is a simple gas stove. The gas is outside. We have 2-3 bottles and it's all connected with our gas boiler, which we are using during the winter time. In the living room, the main object, my lovely fireplace, we are using it for the heating and for preparing the food. I bring the air which is coming from the outside on this area here, and this one is making a windshield which is not allowing the smoke to go inside of the living area and so on. This is the art of my lovely sister, the present of my friend Tanya from my journey from Mexico. This is from my journey from the Costa Rica. As I was traveling all around the world, I was trying to connect everything what is the best and to use it in my own place. Going off-grid doesn't mean that you disconnect yourself from society. Visit the museums, use the buses, use the roads. Up here, it is our lovely gallery. Everybody who was sleeping there, they said they had such a great night. This is the wood stove. I got it from Austria.
Now here, this is what is left when we were building the house. This was the rejected stone. Wasn't good enough for the house, but at the end, it's such a beautiful combination. This Singer machine, this is at least 100 years old. This cabinet, I received it as a present. One lady didn't know what to do with it. It is at least 100 years old. We recolor it, repaint it, and we are keeping everything what we need for the toilet, for the showering. The shower also made of a stone. All this stone is from the olive garden. We'll be in olive garden very soon. Right here. I try to make this one as my wine bar, where I will present all the good wines from the area. In the summertime, microclimate is so nice. Average temperature around 20 Celsius. Outside it can be 35. We have the two areas. This picture is Freedom and this is the Liberty. Behind the Freedom solar, we have this main cable coming to MPPT regulator, which is 40 amperes to the battery, Victron gel, and from batteries also to the inverter, converting the 24 volts in 220. But we have also one jack out for the 24. Every battery is 220 ampere hours. We have 4 of them. So far, we never have a problem, even if it was rainy or sunny or during the night or day. Behind the Liberty, we have everything what we need for the olive gardening and all the tools. And this is the solid rock, which I kept some medals from our olive oil. So far, I never use artificial fertilizer, no insecticides, no pesticides. We have almost 300 trees, 4 varieties. We have the Oblica, Lecino, Pendolino and Frantoio. This is the Frantoio. This is Lecino, Frantoio, Lecino. Pendolino, the last one, Pendolino. They are living 1,000 years, 2,000 years. When you plant your olives, you plant it for your children. Who am I to destroy the future of my children? For this year, they called me a little bit crazy. I didn't want to spray it 5 or 6 times just to keep the fruits. If you are using all the chemicals inside of the tree, it can be so full of heavy metals and you have to take it out because it can't give you the clean and pure fruits. So I will keep it as much as possible clean and pure and let it be more eco than what they say it's eco.
If you don't feel good vibration, don't live there. Move away. Change the place where you are living if you are not connected with the place. You are the one who are making decision. It will not be your mother, your sister, your brother. In everything you do in your life, you must have your vision. It's okay to listen to somebody else, good opinion, good advice and so on, but always listen your heart, what is the best to do. For now, it's priceless. If you want another, okay, I will build it for you, another one, I will build it, but not this one. I already bought the stone for another project, but this one will stay for me. Another project will be for somebody else maybe.